Hey everyone, Lewis aka Spider-Man 1991 here with another vlog that will probably turn to a rant about Marvel's new reformatted digital code redemption service. If you get your comics in a regular local comic shop, then you know, and you still buy the print versions, you know that every single Marvel print comic has a digital code attached to them, which you usually see by this icon that it used to be you would redeem the code and you would get a free digital copy of the book you just got. For example, you'd buy Amazing Spider-Man number 23, you would get a digital copy of Amazing Spider-Man 23. It's actually a really great system. I thought it was a great system because you could still buy the printed copies for your own personal collection, and you'd have a digital version that you can go and reread and keep your printed comics sealed in a plastic bag. However, now Marvel has reformatted their system. And what they've done now is that instead of getting a free digital copy of the comic you just bought, instead you get 3 digital comics that are just related to trades that have come out or tied to some event Marvel is planning. For example, last week, February 1st, which was the first week of the new system, you got, if you redeemed a code from a print copy, you got Civil War II number 0, Captain Marvel number 6, and Wolverine number 66. Now, Wolverine 66 is the first part of the Old Man Logan story arc, which is the basic premise for the Logan movie coming out at the beginning of March. Civil War II number 0. Apparently, the trade came out, and also Marvel wants people to read it, so they're giving that for free. And Captain Marvel number 6, that's just basically the first part in Captain Marvel's arc that ties into the Civil War II event. To be honest, I do not like this system. While I do think if Marvel does want to use this system to promote other story arcs, that's a good idea. I just wish that they would have included a code to give me a free digital copy of the issue that I just got, because I've actually gotten used to having an extra digital copy. That way I know I can still seal stuff up, keep it safe, and put my physical comics in storage while keeping digital on iPad in case I ever want to show it to someone, or if I ever want to go back and reread it. If a story takes too long or is delayed, I can go back and read the digital copies in order to refresh my memory when the next part's coming out. And Marvel has had a similar idea like this in the past. Back in I believe late 2013, they changed their system again. They changed their digital redemption code system, but that time when you got a digital code for a certain title, this was only for certain titles, you not only got a digital copy of the issue you bought, but you also got a free digital trade version of the first volume from that particular series. A notable title that I took advantage of during this time was Uncanny X-Men number 19. The code gave me a digital copy of that issue and Uncanny X-Men Volume 1 of that particular series, not all the way back to the beginning. Well, what was the point of me bringing that up? Well, I want to bring it up because Marvel could have kept a piece of the original system intact, instead of giving us like 3 digital editions of certain stories. They could have just given us 2 or 1 and allowed us to still get the digital copy of the issue we want. Now, I also think that this system is going to lead to a lot more digital purchases, but not in the way Marvel thinks. They think that by giving away the first parts of the series that everyone's going to want to read the rest of the story arcs. I really think that instead what's going to happen is a lot of people are going to buy less print comics and more digital versions, because the code that they give out for the 3 issues, it's every code in every Marvel book for that week. So really, you only need to buy one. If you want any of the digital issues that they're going to give away for free, you only have to buy 1 Marvel comic that week. And you can get all your other Marvel titles digitally. Now, what am I going to do at this point? Me personally, I'm actually reevaluating my pull list for Marvel titles, and I'm actually going through which ones I still want to keep getting print and which ones I want to get digital from now on, because some titles, they can be very slow paced, and I do like to have the digital version so that I can refresh it. Plus, Marvel did recently again relaunch a bunch of other titles, and there's going to be a bunch of new ones coming out soon, so So I think for those, I'm only going to buy digital from now on. So am I angry at Marvel for doing this? Not really. I think that what they're trying to do is just get more people to read the stories that they already have out. Overall, I think this change is just honestly inconvenient. So now I'm just rethinking of a system that, think of a new way to get my Marvel comics that would benefit me instead. But what do you guys think of this new system? Let me know in the comments below. Also, I know that DC is going to start doing digital redemption codes in their books. If you want me to talk about that, let me know in the comments as well. Thanks again for watching. I'm Spider-Man 1991 saying, see you later.